About this item: new BN59-01312A replacement voice remote control with microphone applicable for Samsung Smart TV QN82Q70RAFXZA QN82Q70R QN49LS0 QN49LS0 QN75Q70RAFXZA QN75Q70R QN55Q60RAFXZA QN55Q60R QN65Q70RAFXZA QN65Q70R QN55Q70RAFXZA QN55Q70R QN55LS0 QN55LS0 QN65LS0 QN65LS0 QN49Q70RAFXZA QN49Q70R QN82Q60RAFXZA QN82Q60R QN43Q60RAFXZA QN43Q60R QN75Q60RAFXZA QN75Q60R QN43LS0 QN43LS0 QN65Q60RAFXZA QN65Q60R QN55LS01 QN49Q60RAFXZA QN49Q60R. Please pair this remote with your TV before use. Hold the return and play/pause buttons simultaneously for 3 seconds or more for pairing. This remote does not work with cable box. Power supply, 2x 1.5 VAA alkaline battery. Batteries are not included. Please feel free to contact us if you have any query. Thanks. In the description to get this product today at the best price. About this item: new BN59-01312A replacement voice remote control with microphone applicable for Samsung Smart TV QN82Q70RAFXZA QN82Q70R QN49LS0 QN49LS0 QN75Q70RAFXZA QN75Q70R QN55Q60RAFXZA QN55Q60R QN65Q70RAFXZA QN65Q70R QN55Q70RAFXZA